Hey guys, it's Miss Rachel. So today we're going to take our Red Word Layer 1 test. So this is not really a test, it's just for Miss Rachel to see what can you do. So here's step 1. You can either get a piece of notebook paper or use the paper that your parents picked up out of the tub at the school. So I'm going to say a word and I want you to write the word down. Okay, if you need to stop it to write, go ahead. Does everybody understand? All right, let's get started. So number 1, write the word A. Number 2, write the word I. Number 3, write the word the or the, depending on how you say it. Number 4, write the word you. Like, you are my best friend. Number 5, write the word how. Number 6, write the word put. Number 7, write the word see. Number 8, write the word for. Number 9, write the word and. Number 10, write the word is. Number 11, write the word are. Number 12, write the word they. Number 13, write the word who. Number 14, write the word to. I am going to the store. Next word, he. He is my friend. All right, we're halfway there, so you should be on number 16 of. Number 17 was. She was at home. Number 18, has. Number 19, what. Number 20, come. Number 21, saw. Number 22, she. Number 23, go. Number 24, his. Number 25, from. Number 26, do. Number 27, by. Like, I am going to sit by my friend. Number 28, want. Number 29, does. Last word, number 30, have. Okay, guys, so If you need to go back and re-listen to any word, go right ahead. When you're finished, have Mom take a picture and send it to Miss Rachel. I hope you guys have a great day. Good luck!